if I only had $100 to trade with, and that's my capital, this is exactly what I'll be doing. Or if I only had 1 Solana to trade with, this is exactly what I'll be doing, and I'll tell you why. You know, this works really well, even if you have small capital. You have to have the correct filters, and you want to be trading in this middle row. And I've showed you guys how to do this to a certain degree in my last video. I would leave the link for that right here in this card, and also in a at the end of the video, just click the thumbnail and I'll take you to that video. Also, once again, if you want access to Axiom Pro, it's by invite only. Use the link in the form of a pinned message, also in the description box. But the reason why you want to be trading here is because these particular tokens, I've already got Solana invested into them. And one of my filters is putting a minimum of 15,000 market cap. Now, in my experience, most of the rugs, right? And rugs happen throughout all different phases, right? Through here, and even after graduation. But most of the cold-blooded murderers, I like to call them, reside over here, okay? And I get it. A lot of people want to come here because they want to make the most gains. These ones here are launching very low, like at 5,000 market cap, 7,000 they're at, and you want to grow with that, right? To make like, 300% right here in the pre-bonding phase. But you're subjected to a heck of a lot more risk. So when you have a little bit of capital, you don't even want to be messing with that. So the filters that I use is right here, okay? And I went over this already, but here we go. So we are in the final stretch tab, so you want to click here, and then you got 3 other additional tabs for this area, right? And the first field over here is age, 45 minutes. I don't want anything that is older than 45 minutes, only because that means that there's not much interest in it. And if I get into that because I like other parts of it, maybe it's a narrative or it's a legitimate project for AI, or whatever it is, if everybody else doesn't care about it, then I'm going to be stuck in that position. And then it's going to go down in price, which means I lose even more money, the capital that I put in on top of the fees. So anything older than 45 minutes, I'm not interested in it, right? That means it's probably going sideways and then it'll go south. Top 10 holders, percent of the supply, maximum 35. That's on the high end. You can adjust that to your liking. Maybe it's, I don't know, you could put 25 if you want, right? I do 35. Insider percentage, 30. You could put 20 for that or 25, however you feel. I put 30, not to rule out too much, because then you're left with not much options. Bundle percent, 25% is the absolute most. Ideally, you want to see this metric, which is right here, okay, in the green. So this one is 1% right now, okay? I'm putting the maximum 25, and holders 12. This is like a stupid metric, though. I should raise that if anything. On average, you really see them around 50, minimum 55. Sorry, well, that's the minimum, but on average, about 100 holders, okay? But you could put this if you want anyways. And then come over here. This is something I like to do. I don't want to see anything under 15,000 market cap. Again, they're mainly scams. And as I said, they're all scams here for the most part, okay? But you rule out a lot more, more of the more vicious scams. Anything under 15,000 market cap, you press apply now, and it should look something like this, okay? So 20 minutes is a good range. I don't like this. 17% of the supply are gone to bundlers. The market cap was okay, but we're not gonna mess with that. This right at 20 minutes, 22% snipers. I don't really want to mess with that. 45,000 market cap too. It's already kind of high. All right, so we do have a couple others. This is 1 minute. That's very suspicious. 1 minute, 29% for the top 10 holders. 11 dev with 3%. This is very suspicious. For it to just launch under a minute to be at 23 million market cap, or 23,000 market cap, that's just weird. Very weird. Okay, let's see what this says here for the clusters. Unless this is a known project that went live. I don't know. Don't think there's anything there, okay? But bundlers, look at this. Not good. We're getting out of this. Yeah. Here we go. Final stretch. 1 minute again. Extremely weird behavior, right? Okay, so that insta-bonded. You know why? Look at that. It's, okay, 24% to the bundlers, 35% to them. Yeah, that's a sketchy one in my humble opinion. All right, let's wait it out, guys. Patience. Okay, this one here seems interesting. Okay, so he went up, he went down. Holders 250, let's come in at a good entry. Let's come in right here, okay? There we go. Once we do that, we want to go to sell, then limit. And then we want to go 100%. And I'm putting this at 20% sell limit, okay, is what I'm doing, right? So let's go right there. Then after that, we're going to market and put it on 100% and keep our finger on the trigger, which we're already up quite a bit, see? And we're going to sell that. Perfect example. Look at that. Look at that. Is it going to hit my target? It just did. Order HS completed. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. I literally, in real time, I just showed you guys how it's done. All right? Literally. That's 55% right here. You look at my P&L. $90 was just made. So again, if you have one soul, if you have a small capital, this is how you want to do it. Okay, guys? With those filters, then you got to also look at the velocity, like how long it existed with the holder ratio, okay? And the bonding curve where it's at. That was a perfect example, guys, on how we do this, okay? So you pretty much almost doubled your money if you're using 100, but you don't want to risk your entire capital when doing that, okay? But again, you get the logistics of how all of this works. Okay, so we're going to see if we can repeat that once again, okay? As you can see, it's the same balance, 6.066, and we're just going to scour here, and sometimes it may take a good few minutes until you find the right one. And again, what are we talking about, right? So 14 minutes is okay, 20 minutes is even better, right? Scammers normally bounce well before that. So, you know, if it's past that time frame of where they normally pull the rug or dump rather, you know, chances are it's a little bit more safer. I actually like to see where the developers don't have anything, right? Like dev sold. That way, you know, when other people like the 148 are holding this thing, they don't get scared off by that when he starts to sell. So let's see what's happening here. This actually, this one has 10 snipers, or 10% rather, snipers. So it's not really one that I really want to mess with. What do we got here? We could probably see something here. Look at that pump though. Damn. We want to, okay, let it come down. Let it come down a bit if it is. We can even put a buy limit here if we wanted to. Let's actually do that. If this guy pulls back, I'll buy in. So you know what? Let's just do this. I would go limit. Just go with one soul. Let's put him to 11. Buy there. Okay, and if that triggers, we'll automatically sell him at a limit. It's not going to trigger, so I'm going to manually buy in. That's not going to come back down to 30. Let's buy in here. Okay, so I just bought in. Sell, limit, 100. You want to put in your 20% just in case if you get that pump. I got that in there, and again, it has not reached 41,000 this entire time of 33 minutes of being live, right? So that might be out of reach. So what I need to do here is go like this, and limit, sell, market rather, 100%. I keep my finger on the trigger right here. So if it does go close to that, and I just want to fire off, I could do that. Right, and we're monitoring the holders 188, making sure that does not go down too crazy. We're at 36,000 market cap, 10% in profits, but true profits is right here. So my profit margin is really kicking, I think, after 7%. As you can see, now it went back lower, and I'm below my one soul, right? Because that's after all the fees. Remember, Axiom Pro and platforms like them do take 1% of trading fees. So this is a perfect example to tell you why, or to show you why I filter my tokens maximum 45 minutes. On or about that mark there, 35, 45 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever, it starts to die out, right? So right now we're back up to 189, but it did go down to 184. What we tend to see is, you know, people are scared that they may get rugged. And if they're holding this position for too long, they're at, you know, a longer risk. So that's why, you know, you want to see these movements happen within a 40-minute, 45-minute time frame, ideally 25 minutes, right? That's where you see most of the activity in my experience. So as you can see, we are stuck around 35,000, you know, and the longer you're here, you know, you got to make a choice here. Now, it is a slight loss, although it says +5. When we get to about 7, right? So at 6, 7 should put us, at least our money back, initial out, or not initial, rather, the entire capital out of what we deployed, or slight profits, right? So right there, 18%. You know what? I'm gonna take that. I'm just gonna sell it for profits. And there we go, 17% up. Okay, guys, it may even cross right now. But since I saw that limited activity, 39 is pretty close to 42, and it put me in profits at 17%, really about 10% profits. Look at that, it's come back down. But I still was able to manually sell, giving me some okay gains, guys. Again, so right here we made roughly, let's call it, this is about 18 bucks, and that's fine because our capital's only $100 or 1 Solana, ladies and gentlemen. And I could probably do that again right now for y'all. You know, I could give you 3 examples of that. Really and truly, I can. Like, you know, let me see here. You know, we could take a look at this guy. He's at 42, 41 now. A little bit on the high side. That guy just went away. But you get the point. We just did 2 in a row for you, and as you can see, our balance has grown 6.2 now. So this is what I've been doing, and it's been working really well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, once again, if you want access to Axiom Pro, it's by invite only. Use the link in the form of a pinned message, also in the description box. And that's what you do, bro. If you got low capitals, you need to scrape, you need to get in, and you need to get out. But you also need to have the right filters, exactly the ones that I demonstrated for you here in this video. So you know what? There ain't really much left to say other than, until my next video, you're on your own, bro. Later.